have here a Panasonic Jet Force bagless vacuum. I didn't even know Panasonic made vacuums. Be pretty interesting to test it out. I've got a very dirty carpet because I have a golden retriever who apparently thinks tennis balls should be bald. So he likes to remove all the fuzz off the tennis balls. So I left it so that we can give this vacuum a try. I also have Christmas tree needles. Haven't taken it out of the box yet. It has a retractable cord, which is awesome. Look at that. I've not seen that in an upright vacuum, so that is pretty cool. Alright, well, we're going to be using carpet, so I guess that would be bare floor. That would be carpet. Alright. And there's a button here that I assumed was to loosen that. I guess that would be the power button. Oh, you step on it. There's a picture of a foot. Alright, here we go. Button on the top comes right off, and then you open up the canister. It did a pretty good job. Hop it back in, and then we are going to move. Take a look at the bare floor. I've got some Christmas tree needles on the floor over here. Did a really good job. The other vacuum just kind of blows the needles around. It doesn't pick them up. This one picked them up. Alright, we have one more thing to look at. We're going to look at the attachments here on my dirty stairs. Let's see. You can't really see, but there is some tennis ball fuzz on the stairs.